Businesses have always strived to create strong and lasting customer relationships through superior experience. Businesses continue to struggle with engaging their customers. With Engati, you can engage and retain your customers in real time. Seamlessly move between automation and agents as required. Engati can be used across many industries and sectors such as e-commerce, banking and insurance, travel and hospitality, government agencies, education, and more. Perfect your conversational experience strategy with the best-in-class conversational tools. In under 10 minutes with minimal coding, you can build user journeys with Engati to engage your customers in their language of choice across all touchpoints. Automate bot training with Engati's proprietary DocuSense technology. Simply upload your knowledge base to equip your chatbot to answer any question. Alternatively, train your chatbot in a Q&A format. Be where your customers are. With the omni-channel OneView inbox, your agents can manage customers across multiple channels such as your website, Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, and more. Track performance and impact with extensive real-time analytics and dashboards. What's more, you can enhance your chatbot functionality by integrating it with third-party applications. Engati has powered over 45,000 digital customer experience solutions till date and has been trusted by leading brands across the world. Take the first step towards enhancing your customer experience. Simply log in and unlock your free trial. Reimagine the customer journey with Engati.